Okay, good afternoon. Good morning. Welcome back again. Today we are going to talk about another things in chapter 15, 15.1.2. If you remember that, we say in the 15.1 that we have an integral over what? Over rectangular region. Do you remember that? We have x and y, double integrals, dx by dy, f of x, y, and there was a AB, let me say CD, and there was a counting, here's AB and here's CD. So in that case we change it to what? To our function 2 f of xy to dy by dx, if you remember that, because we say that x should be with the x, coincide with the x, and dy should be coincide with the y region, y limited, y boundary, whatever you say. Then we are going to that one, and we test that dx, dy, dx both are available. We can find both of them, and the result was equal, sure. So now we are going to talk about double integral. Is very important. So how we solve that one? You can see from here we have a region, but there's, instead of a and b, just the numbers, we have a function y between two functions, means that your region between two functions. You can also change it to dx dy, and you say the y is number constant, for example say between 0 and 2, but x is a function with y طبعا. So here is y is a function with respect to x, like that. For example, here x is a function with respect to y. Understood? So dA can be translated to dx dy, dy dx. How's the question here? The question is, generally speaking, sometimes say change the integrals, change the boundaries, change the things that we have. So when the question generally is about to find, you are free, but where the question is about to change, you need to change. And this is the first. The second, sometimes the questions is not easy to find dx by dy. You need to change. I don't say anything. I will give you the example. You try to solve, but you can't. So in that time, you don't ask me during the exam or test, this is not solvable. No, you need to change it. You need to know, you need to change it, and that's it. So here we are. Listen to the first question. I think if you understand the first one and the second one, you will be able to solve all of them, the others. How? Because the technique is the same. Just understand one of them, that's it. So here we are. We have what? We have f of xy equal to 3x minus y minus x, and listen to the boundary. Find the volume of the prism. You know, prism is like like this. Let me show you the prism. This is the prism. Okay. So how is the given? What was the given? Based in the triangle. Okay. XY plane. Good. Bounded by x-axis. You need to sketch the boundaries. Otherwise, even your answer is correct, you will lose some marks, because the boundary is very important. Okay, dears? Graph gringa kakijan. When you find the boundary. So x-axis first, x-axis, the line y equal to x, y equal to x, okay, and x equal to 1, x equal to 1. You can see your region is this triangle. Okay, if I wanna make it as highlighted, your region is here. So find double integral in this region. So now here's the question, and let me give you the clue how to answer. Is the question clear, Jamaat? Okay, let me bring it to the other side and we solve together. So here's all given and ask. Good. Now I'm going to the new page to have a space for here. Good. Now I say my double integral. Before I start answering, I'm going to sketch the region. it was about y equal to x, okay, x-axis, generally x-axis, okay, here's x-axis, the region bounded by, يعني enclosed, يعني surrounded, then x equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to x. Good. And x-axis is clear. And x-axis. Where's my region? We say that here is your region, right? So I say, I'm going to write, I say, my double integral over this region, general speaking, is equal to f of x dA. Why dA? Because still I don't know which part I should follow it. dx by dy or dy by dx. I'm going to start with the easiest one. So I'm going to talk about dy by dx. So I will change my function, or sorry, my integral to dy by dx. Yalla, tell me x about what and what. أمر جنا x لبيني شنو كان x 0 and 1. You are right. So the region can be translated by yourself to 0 and 1. Is that clear? My base, this is called base, is equal to what? Between 0 and 1. Do you have any problem with it? Depends on what? On the given. When my triangle from the origin, from 0 and 0, start to here, which is 0 and 1, and I know my x is between 0 and 1. Then, listen to me. Then, I am going to find two functions. What do you mean by functions? We say that if you have dy by dx, here should be two functions depends on the y. We say y with respect to x. Do you remember that? Okay. So I'm going to the example. So how we find the first, or let me say the lower function and upper function by what? By doing an arrow from the base to up. It should be intersect both functions, both lines, both givens, then and be on the region. Okay, dears? And on the region. So here we are, from here to here. So give me the intersection points. Here's first intersection, here's the second intersection. Am I right, dears? Intersect my region, my R, but the first one will be the lower, that one will be the lower of y طبعا, to equal to something. That one will be the upper of y to be something. Till now is clear? Do you have any question? No. So tell me, here y is equal to what? Equation is equal to what? Y? 0, of course. If we say that in the previous, I remember when we say x-axis, we means by what? We mean by y equal to 0. So y equal to 0. And y equal to 0. I'm writing y to be clear that this is the function. It's not a just number, it's the function. Okay. How about here for the upper? Y equal to what? X. Is that clear? So means that we are in such situation. So my integral, change it from 0 to 1 to x, 3 minus x minus y a dy by dx. And I know you know how to solve that one because we saw many cases. But a little bit strange because we have x here. That's it. So let me do it for you. Is equal to what? You know. You know that, right? We will make x to be out because in the 15.1 we mentioned that one in the previous lecture. Now, so solve that one for me by dy. 3y, yeah? Okay. Over 2. From where to where? From 0 to x. طبعا instead of each y, you need to substitute that one. Careful. So 0 to 1 dx, يلا. So I'm going to 3x minus xx minus x squared over 2. Be sure that when you substitute this value, you will never get y in it. أو بنوسب الريمارك. معقولة تو حل كي دوي y ودسكوي. Careful. يعني أقربو x حل كد y تيابي. You got it? Good. So I will get what? I will get 3x x squared minus x squared over 2 dx. And I know that one's clear for you. It will be from 0 to 1, 3x minus 3 over 2x squared, am I right? dx. Tamam? Hello? Then the result will be 3x squared over 2 minus 3x squared over x cubed over 3 from 0 to 1. And I will get what? 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2 was equal to what? Let me check I'm on the right way or not. Is that clear, dears? Do you have any problem? You got it, dear? Okay, now the important thing is what? To learn how to exchange it, how to solve the same example and you get the same result, but why what? I say exchange. I say exchange. What do you mean by exchange? Instead of dy by dx, I'm asking you to count, to evaluate, to calculate by what? By dx dy. So how we do it? Any idea? Yes, we need to sketch one, yeah? Sketchy boundary cane, which is not easy to answer that. And you need to sketch. Yalla, I'm a sketch. Aman, y equal to x. Okay. How about that one? X is equal to 1. I'm جارلهم شون حليقة. dy in body اريكا. Y between what and what? 2 and 0. Essa era chana. Here is equal to what? Lower boundary y. 0. أما 0 y ليرة chana. أليرو دست بيبقى عم ريجنا 2 era. ونيا y is y أليرو حسابك y chana. 0 2 here. Okay. هو 0. كات هو 0. You are right. دواكي أو لام بيبله. Huh? 1 exactly. How do you know? Here's y equal to what? Y equal to x. X chana. كاتما ريجنا كم بو بإيرا وايا. Y لم بيننا چند بو چنا. From 0 to 1. Am I right? Well, I'm أليرا إنو سنبو جواني. شو إيشم بيتي. So we need it. Later on we are going to use it. Is that clear? Why y between 0 and 1? جماعات بيزا كم چي ليكرت؟ أول ليكرت. Isn't the same region? Instead of dy by dx, I am going to dx dy. So the same region, but from the other side. Vanya, I'm Jura. We try to calculate the volume of here. Instead of here to there, here to there. Does that make a difference? No. Instead of say wide and high, I say height and wide. Tamam? Length is here. So the same. Now I got it y from 0 to 1. Do you have any problem, dears? Now you will do an arrow the same. It should be intersect your region. Intersect your region. Here's our region. Sorry. Here's your region. So it should be the green arrow should be come to your region and intersect both lines. So tell me about x. X is equal to what? And x equal to what? That's my question. So that one will be the first intersect. And that one will be the second intersect. Okay, dears? So I say equal to what? X is equal to in the first, upper. I'm a lower. I'm a what? Upper. Yalla. There. X is equal to 1. When? Upper or lower? Upper. Okay, you are right. X is equal to 1. 1 here. So, and how about here? ده يا جماعة صفر. No. It's a function. I told you in the second time. We say that here x is a function about y. You remember? X equal to, for example, function of py. So tell me, fortunately, yes, exactly. X is equal to y. كاتب boundary كم شيء لده. Look at it. أما كتو strange ببوتو. لبري تاسة توفر بدي. بمشي حاليكي. So boundary x, I am sure about that one. Here it will be y and 1. يعني شيء y يعني x equal to 1, x is equal. نمان y equal to x, x is equal to y. طبعا. So 3 minus x minus y. D what by what? dx dy. باشا جماعات. Shall I repeat that one? Next example it will be easier for you. So equal to 0 to 1, dy to out, y1, 3, y dy, dx. Sorry. Now solve it. حليك يا أحمد. 0 to 1, dy. يلا جماعات. 3x x square. Am I right? xy. Ele kyo bakıyor. Başta nırxı çiye dayanıyor x. Careful. Nasıl lebati y kabnusi 1 and y. Careful. And I gave you the note. After this substitution, we shouldn't have any x, right? Y. We shouldn't have any y. Good. So 3 1 1 square over 2 1 multiply y يا جماعة minus a 3y y square over 2 y multiply y. Understood? بس سوري كمواني كدام ناتو. Let me make the red. So you got it? Shall I repeat it? No question, Kaka? Allah Akbar. Even you don't have it? Thank you. 0 to 1, 3 minus 1 over 2 minus 1, 1 here, a minus 3y square minus y square. أما dy. با أو جمارنا لكل كينو يلا 3 over 2 minus 3y plus 3 over 2 y square. Am I right? y over 2 3 over 2 y minus multiply by minus hello plus. Avan calculation. Do you have any problem? يلا جماعة 3 over 2y y square over 2 y cube over 3 from 0 to 1. Do you agree with me? Good. كل خواجنا بيعلن يسيو. 3 over 2 تمام 3 over 2 1 over 2 am I right كاته غلط يا where's the mistake ايه you are right here we have y thank you so you are right absolutely so اسا بدأ 2.5 وانيا minus y يا جماعة ليريكو جينينو so let me erase it thank you good so يلا 0 to 1 5 over 2 minus 4y 3y squared dy is that clear yes يلا 5 over 2y y squared over 2 y cube over 3 0 to 1 and you'll get what they let me check 5 over 2 2 1 over 2 why and equal to what 5 minus 4 plus 1 equal to what 10 y 0 our 2 over 2 equal to 1 no 5 plus 1 6 6 minus 4 2 2 over 2 1 تمام shall I repeat good it wasn't hard but need time of course here you are here's the result here's the everything كاتا چی مانکر change okay this is the base like that this is the base like that كاتا base اکب زین چون با چون okay second example yes يكسب باوندري کا کشی حزن من يقول yes يلا second example يلا tell me how we solve that one look at here read the question please با question ببینه با boundary application together okay line y equal to x a and the x equal to the same همان boundary يلا and x axis همان regional but this is your example and I didn't say anything كاكر باشا so how we solve example number 2 we have double integral sine x over x dA and the given is like that يلا so tell me this is tricky ده جماعة wake up يلا they equal to what oh example okay double int boundary وداني okay okay 0 bone so sine x over x d y by x dy by dx بدلی خوتن حسکی بعد dy by dx بیا يلا so boundary x between how about here we solved it before right We know how to do it. Okay. I'll get what? They. I'll get what? Just multiply by y. Okay. Sine x over x by y from 0 to x. أو 0 to x value كام يعني؟ y. Y equal to? Y minus 0. Y كام يبقى 0. شيلت. وضع موجة زانا. أكاتا چند؟ وكاتا چند؟ كوسايني 0 انت تجي اللي لا نسي كوسايني يكاتا چند سوكي because you don't have a calculator. باش هادي يوم بو حل كان بيا زحمة. You remember boundary هم شلون درست کرد right؟ هادي يوم بو حل كان. أول شو بو كردي؟ يلا guys. يلا. We cannot solve it. We cannot solve it. Yes. To what? Forget about calculus 2. Go to calculus 1, okay? Forget about boundaries. How you solve that one? There's two functions. You cannot deal with it. There is one way to solve that one. It's called numerical solution. You remember Taylor series of sines? You remember? أودرو ما نوع واقع. Taylor series ما نبو. ما نبو. Remember something like that. It's called numerical solution. So means that is out of your ability. You have a computer, you are going to solve by computer approximately, or you cannot solve it in ordinary things. Yes. So yes, you cannot. It's not equal to what? Two functions, you cannot deal with them. Both stuck. There is no idea to play with it. Just we have a numerical, like expanding the Taylor series. It's not easy, طبعا. So why I did like that? To show you some example. When you stuck in the dx dy, change it to what? Dy dx. We solve it by dy dx, right? But how about dx dy? We stacked. You got it? So during the exam, I don't say by dx dy. If I don't say change, means that there is something. Maybe you can both side. Maybe you are sticking by dy dx, or maybe you are sticking by dy dx. You got it? I told you the questions to two types. One of them change. One of them you need to change. This example you should to change, because there's no way we cannot solve it. It's equal to what? You got it, dears? So because if you understand how to answer or how to do a question, you know how to study and how to answer. So careful and pay attention. Look, here we are, and that one cannot be expressed in elementary function. Cannot be expressed. Look at your book. You need to go to something else. There's no simple antiderivatives. It means that you cannot directly solve or by any methods that we got it before. By parts, UDV, triangle. No, you cannot. Just you have to follow Taylor series, which give you the approximation solution, which is not good for you for this stage. Clear, dears? أو نوتانا بنوسة, please. This all page from finding limit using vertical cross section, using horizontal cross section. I am going to leave it, but I will solve example number 3 for you. So I'm going to deal about this, what's going on. Okay, dears? Clear? Good. Do you want to rest? Do you think you are tired? Good. Let me go to the example number 3. يلا جماعة. Look, what's the question? Sketch the region. Even I don't say please sketch it. Sketch the region of the integration, okay? And during the exam I say and solve equivalent integral, or called integration reversed. So reverse. This is the type that I ask you. So maybe you stuck, or maybe I will ask you. Here's your question, and I say reverse the boundaries. Reverse the boundaries without saying anything. Is that clear for exam? Jamaat? No. Alam, reverse and solve. تو چیکی؟ reverse یکی solve یکی. چون جوابی تو؟ First region. يلا جماعة region كم بيبلن يا ما شاء الله region باشا. ليه؟ X between what and what? 0 and 2. So here we are. Am I right? Y between what and what? Y. X square. Am I right? I'm not going to do the other part. I don't need it. And what? 2x. Clear? Is that clear? So this is my region. Let me make the yellow. All is region. This is my R. I want to find this R. Okay, Corina? Tamam? Guys? Okay. Any problem? No. So answer. How we find them? I say reverse. Just I'm not going to solve for you. Just I'm gonna reverse for you because the other is primary integral. Yalla. How we change that one? You will sketch by the given. This is the first. The second, you need to reverse it. Okay? So I say equal to 4x plus 2 يا مخزمته dx dy. Yalla. Y between what and what? Wait, y should be number, kaka. Y should be number. Here should be function. Here should be x equal to something, okay? Clear what I say, Kaka? عفر. So this point I'm pointing إيش أكيد من وانيا. So basically من from here to here to here chana. From 0 I'm pointing chana 2 to power 2 يعني 2 multiply 2 هر 4 ها. You know what I mean by 2 multiply by 2. أقل ليرة داينيتو 2 يعني ليرة داينيتو you get what 4. So from 0 to 4. Shall I repeat it? Sure. Now وثمان السهم كين بيتان معه كاكا you remember so that one and that one why so tell me about this طبعا هو بيبقى كلا ليفت ويد يا كم دانا أبيتا lower توم دانا أبيتا upper يلا لو ركين بيبلة شنا طبعا أبي x equal to something y أبي ليرة x equal to something careful sorry أو خطشينك كام يعمل أصلا با فانكشن كام بنسمه سورة كش السابقة شن أمان لو ركيه وانيا y over 2 أزان بوشي خو فانكشنك أوانه بو سامع ببي y أي نسم ببي x أي نسم clear good أي فانكشن يدوم يان exactly بلام كاميان هلا بجيرم positive وانيا تيجيشتن Shall I repeat that one? Hello? شو ركا كاكي جان أما جيفنا أما آوا هاتوا إيرا دوا أما جاوا هاتوا هر دوا أما يان y equal to 2x أما شيان y equal to x square وانيا باش من بتوالم ام بوينت دانيتو شلون دانيتو بل هر دو كشكا دانيتو رايت سو علي ايرا كان علي x 0 واي كان هر 0 وايا اگه تو بوينت بدوزيتو شلون دانيتو ايرا كان 2 اي واي كان درجه ليا دانيرو شو اي ليا دانيتو طب then تو حسابي إيراكي علي واي كان برزة علي ليرة بو إيرا بيزة كما ليرة 0 دس بيكا واي كم ليرة شو كنا 4 إنجا دي لاين كان حسابك كان نخشة ببي x equal to something How dears hello shall I repeat that one do you think it's clear for you please طبعا تنام عنه بحل كم وخصي solution نكاكا دسك بحل كردين أجيتي حربت يعني intersection يعني شيء يعني solve both وانيا اگه بیری بله چابتری پیشوا باس ما نگرا point to play نگا منو با کردی که منو پاسادانی هر دو چکا منو we solve both of them وانا بو that's it امی کویشنا یلا اما به خود من درستی که حساب من بس I'm just going to give you the boundaries solve it integral نکم because x square plus x to power 3 که ایشی من 50.1 we talk about many things يلا find volume of the solid surface is z او function كمان f of x y equal to 16 minus x square minus y square ويا جماعة دي لازم example ده توزعين برو energy برو okay and above the region r a r ركتشونا ده خوار rectangle بيه no والله curve g y equal to what 2 square root of x كواتا 2 square root of x am I right? أوكي كان and the line 4x minus 2. Am I x? Am I right? Our 4x it was later. Okay. Minus 2 chiliet. Is that clear? So here چنه که زنه 2 وانگه 4x minus 2 minus 2 shift taka 2 right plus 2 shift taka 2 left ولا calculus يك chapter 1 clear shall I repeat it good and x-axis okay so where is my region agar yellow يكم here's my r am I right جماعة here's your region our region اكيد جنابته شلون حليكين برايه يلا شلون solving من جاري ايشم بباوندري كان وظف فانكشن كان wait well I don't know بابين wait so اگر با من كمان بباش زانم براي من طبعا man y equal to 2 رقي x a man equal to what 4x minus 2 وانا بو function كان okay so من دم اما function كان ما هرشي كا بابيتشي بدوزينو من علم dx dy اما اسان ترينه براي من داي بتعلم y اقول الامتحان داير ريفرس اقول لكم ابي زور يابي ابي سير متي من y يلا y between what and what y should be number careful okay outer كان بن number بن outer يلا باش يخواري السفرة thank you ولايك ما ندوزيو well done هسه باس بكر هم pointed how we find this point ها x ندري او كجاري بيشو substitute directly no you need to what you need to solve to find intersection ها 4x minus 2 equal to 2 squared x you need to solve that and to find the intersection point يلا هذه intersection point اكا كان اكات كان اكات equal to what our 4x minus 2 both square y am I right both sides square so first square minus 2 multiply first for the second plus second square equal to 4x am I right hello a equal to what كان كادو 12 y plus 4 equal to 0 أزان خلص يوكم ها أمبر okay so divided by 4 ka 4x square 3x plus 1 equal to 0 equal to what I don't know let me check is that right minus 1x minus 4x بتا minus 5 كاتب 4 كاهن مئرة let me check again sorry no does not good No, I think something wrong. Ba دوباره كمان. بس سرچا. هر همی دوباره کنو پیکو. Divided you can اکسری آسان تره. You are right. So 2x minus 1 equal to square root of x. چیتر؟ square root of no. هر دو square اکی. قینا باش اوكي بس خو وكاتا ابيت الزايد ناقص كاك فرمو هو solve نابي right و يلا ايش كمان راس بس رقم كان غلط يجي سكور ماكرو both sides square اكين و equal to x está aha و خلى كمان دوزيو لك شو ابو now اشتغل minus so I'll get what او x بيبقى over with a minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 so x 4 minus 1 minus 1 am I right is that all Chio yes or no تأكيد yes okay if you don't agree please say I am not agree it's not my problem but يلا كاكي جان شون خوم لسكور روت يكو wait شون سكور روت يكي اكس و اكس بيكو حل كم the same idea كا هر ما اشتكاتو يكش بيتو بره ما اشتكاتو هر بدو جاي كين ونيا do you agree with me for square okay so we want to hear or there is not like a sense the same thing باشا هماش تبي نوبر قيتشك راستا you are also telling truth yes you can do it so x equal to what they or am I right yes ويا جماعة x equal to 1 x equal to 1 over كم يعني بريته بس يعني so 2 1 over 4 no something wrong اشتاق عليه ماڵ ئەی تو خۆ بۆ نایکەی من لە کوات چاقیمەش باسی چیم بۆکە بەس سەرچاو 02 یاڵا دێ بەس سەرچاو چی بکەین ئەلێرا خەتەکە لێم یەس دەی بڵەکەینە بەس سەرچاو چی لێ بکەم ئەمەیان ئەمە 2x minus 1 equal to square root x وایە 2x minus square root یەکە بەرمان بەر ئاوا بەڵێ باش first square 2 multiply first by second minus second square equal to 1 ادخوا بچی حل کن قناعتی کرد لازم تشویشی تو منیشی دیگه آور good so یالا دست خوش بینه we get what x is equal to 0 x equal to minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 so o چی اینه معنی چی دوزینو let's give me 1 sec بیرون چوب بچید من امان 0 تێگەیشتم was a problem ئێمە باوندەری چی دۆزینەوە وای okay so here equal to what okay exactly so we need to change yes we need to change because y boundary woman I mean 0 to what so I mean x equal to y equal to بين عكسي كينو because we wanna find y so cheap king so y over 2 from there x will be what لقالوش هربا بيدوزينا بويكش يعني بويكش عين اشتبه بدوزريتو something wrong 1 over 4 y equal to 1 1 over 4 2 minus 1 okay باش give me 1 sec please we got what هيك دقيقة مبري ايه we got that x equal to 1 over 4 and x equal to 1 am I right يلا equation number 1 y equal to square root of x y equal to 4x minus 2 okay بعد اینو ابي بچی وایا اکاتا am I right 1 over 4 square root اکاتا چند 1 over 2 او توش مان هي چی ليت 1 بس هاتش اسایش باسكين اوكي y equal to چنه قاليره 4 1 over 4 minus 2 I'll get what minus hello minus 1 باشا y equal to 1 y equal to minus 1 كم ين select again y region كمان look at the region سير رسمه كم قال لك شويه y minus 1 y equal to 1 كم ين هلا بجيرم hello y equal to 1 سيكا نه هلا سيريكا you are right بس يبزعلم شيء لذا كتو intersect كي رنگ هم رسمه دريج بيتو لشو شيء intersect كا اما ايش بام ريجني جاري clear علم شيء اما ايش لم ريجني بزين كم جمارة ما دسكي اوكي واضحة good استا امان 1 over 4 كمان بكارينا شيء ما دسكو 1 and minus 1 minus 1 اگه cancel باوی که بکار بینی اگر یک دانینو چند اگه 2 ای که چند من دسته که minus 2 ونیا تا هلو تا بس x ابي 1 بي اما لو دي 1 وين نه بك دانینو غلط يعني برو 1 over 4 که هلا بجيرم بو هرجي عندوكا يس تو باش بو امان هلنا بجيرين واي مشكلة من وين يدو علم كامل هلا بجين كامل هلنا بجي آخر هو زي ماينس 2 ماينس 2 هلنا بجين بس كامل هلا بجين بوتشي واي
يوم هذا شيء دبري أو يكمل كما هو ما الفانكشن كمان إنسان بدو بيتي والله
Okay.
ما رجع هنا نبيه
باش.
ما رجع أصلا
Exactly. باش. بابين سيري كينو. أمان. طالما minus 2 كسيري again. Wait, give me 1 sec please. أما 2. باش. أمان y and minus 1 cancel أكابو 2 different value so it's not excel. لپولر اشتك من باز كتمان اگه دو نقشه پی کوبرون جاری و لیک یک نابرن واو you remember that in polar چه بینی ما كرسمي دلكار ما نكد just give me 1 sec to clarify this point for you ام بوينتا لقل امانه امانه بيكو دروز نام اگه بيكو دروز نبن نيك اسام للريجن يكام ام دو انا بيكو ور ناگرم كاتك ام ريجن حسابكم اگر هر دو فانكشن كان بيكو انترسكت كوانيا and یک value باته كاتا by the same thing you are going to choose the two اي بو اما ور ناگرم اما معقوله اما يعني yes اما مش معقوله اي بو وري ناگري two different values clear باش حساب ام داري واي بچن نظم هستكم قناعت نشته نکردم ايه بچن but two clear or not چند تیگیشن 50 60 لسه چند تیگیشن 40 باش کشمنی جربه مثل اکس کا اگر مثل وای کا اوکی با رسی کی بینی با سر اکس کا اکس کم بری اکس کا لشويه اکس کا ایترم بو حساب کری اشتگی به خیال ده پله مکا اوکی بس پنم نمیکا يلا اكس كم بو حسابك ما بس ما فانكشنك اواغا بروم انترسكت ريجنك كم امان شنو كم حسابك x is equal to اما بيتا lower امان بيتا upper هذه lower امانه هذه x equal to what am I right أمانة بتا y square over 4 أي upper day
x plus
y plus 2 over 4 y plus 2 over 4 تيجيش لما جارية أو تشلبوا بشاص تقريبا جارية دقة بينهم كمان 0.5 خواري شو إيرا اسينو بيا كيش ماينو جاري لوكيشن 0.5 يس لوكيشن برزان شو الله repeated اوكي بوي او شتا تبين كبو بقريه زين where's the problem بو شي تيناغين give me 1 sec please y equal to 2 square root of x ايرا چنا من غلط نسيمه دو چنا y equal to 4x minus 2 x كبا 0 y كبا 0 4x minus 2 ونيا x كاتا چن یک دقم بری لبری توزش لقایم بابینو تایم قسم کن اکاتا چن 1 over 2 تا باش من یک پرسیار لیو آکم بوی اوی پیشوتی بی اما بو حساب کتو بیا زحمت بس اکس کیم بو حساب کن يس تبيل يا كردي بعد اسبوعين ايه هز نقشه بيا from ايه تمان شنو بوينتا دو ونيا اكس كم يعني من هالبجارت ياك كمان هالبجار وانا بو you remember that hello shall I go to the other side يلا يكو دو مان هبو يا كمان هلبجا يكو يك لسر 4 مان هبو عفوا باش بيم بلا استا بس اكس كم بي بلا حزقي كم بانتجرالي قناغيك كالكلاسيك يلا كاكا او انتجرال طبعا اكزامبل لك كالكلاسيك شاهي حزقي مزان هذا مو اريان بو حسابك بزحمت دي خود دي اكس معناه يبقى شصت باتش لقى برسكينه بشصت يلا دي بجوله دوير ريبيت يا جماعه صح هشتا دي بس فاهم خون بليز دي لا 0.2 أمر رأيك cheater what else باكس كالكلاسيك وازد دو بينا أو بروبلم قال لي أنا بوري ناقري ده أو إيريانا زندوز نو كمان أو الرأى نمنسيو الله من رأيك يس 1 to half plus يعني أو أنت بنوسم مثلا باوندريكا شو مس أو بنوسم شي بنوسم
صفر هو يستخدم عنها هي إيكويشنية كمتجريشني أو إيكويشنية ولا يستخدمه
يك تيجي شيء أجابته أجر لكالكلاسي دوشة داود لي كم بلهم أم بوب دو زروا تورا أكيد بعكسي كيتو بما ممنون بيبوي كيس حل ماكر why because here from 0 to 1 over 2 أها أما area يكا أما area دوا ليرة أجر أما بيز بيه شتيك دكسا شتيكا وايكا from 0 to 2 square root of x وايا plus area دوام from 1 over 2 to 1 اليرة كامل area كبي زحمت أما بو أويانا كواتا علم شيء علم 4x minus 2 to 2x تيجيشتي واضح اليرة اوكي اما لصاب 50 شخص تيجيشتي باش اقرر مساري خومان كواتا من بوي خوم لو معي رزقاركم from this problem اقال لمن بعزين نبي تنها 5 دقائق كاتي توميت تمام هاتين شي ما كرت to solve by چیوت by چیوت dy y لبرو يصير ما كرت y اسانترا y كرتنية is not two regions is one area right or one volume you can see كواتا هاتم شي بكم هاتم وتم اليرا to era كيشا كم هبو اجي امش منزو حل كر وابو وتمان شانا غايرا نسيب منظم اما y نه تو چی ایره حل ما کرد چشه اما y square over 4 اما شیان وثمان
y plus 2 over 4
اما لورا كواتا y over 4 اما شیان وثمان y plus 2 over 4 واو يانا او اسامو او كيشهبو إيرب وايا باش بيكو حل ما نكرت أو بو كاكين قناعتي ناكر وثمان وابو باش حل كردن أو هابونيا x equal to 1 over 4 x equal to 1 باش x is equal to 1 to 1 over 4 Do you think the region كي منها بابا نوع التتيوجين Do you think اليرا 1 over 4 اليراني x إيش كي من اليرا جيبه جيبه Hello intersection كي area No أو cancel باشا كاكيستا واضح ترى Hello أي x equal to 1 تصورك area بيه clear باش كاته قرانت ما نكرو x to 1 باشا ك x equal to 1 b y chana كميشن بوايا و لي كشيانا حركاته كواتا y chana تو ئێستا چەند پێرسێنتە؟ ئێستا چەند پێرسێنتە؟ خوانێ بڕێ 80 that's good you got it تێگەیشتم really good کەواتە من کە ڕیژنەکەتەوە حەلی ناکەم خۆت حەلی کە بدوایە کەواتە من ئەمەم بەلاو ئاسانترینە بۆیە کە دێم سۆڵڤەکەم وای بە دوو دائەنێم وای لەبەرەوەی 1/4 ڕەفزە لە لای من داست ئەوەی کێشە هەبوو لە بینی ئەم 1/4 بوو کێشەمە دروست بوو. Any question, anything?